Sing the song now. If life is really a game, then we all must know how to play. Or is ourself to blame when companion lead us astray? And the secret is to understand that in life you must have a plan. We got to set goals, then take control if we want success in this world. But if on Friday, when you get your pay, you playing big shot in tongue, you're gone and spree with Jane and Mary, drinking whiskey, champagne and rum. When you go home it's 5, you go beat your wife. Now your children afraid their daddy, but then you couldn't seize your whole family. You keep it in poverty. Sing the song now. If poverty is really a crime, then it all starts within the mind. Some folks might own a dime, but they have riches in their mind. The mind is like a garden, you know. What you plant is what going to grow. So when you sow a seed, brother man, take heed. Must be one to make you succeed. But when you come in town and you young and strong, but you can't see a big bottom, drinking Viagra bad as a tiger, and you licking everything down, spending big money to make Paco tea, but you win mind your family. It's just another case you self put in place that go keep them in poverty. Sing the song now. Preaching love but practicing hate is what have mankind in such state. For what you keep in your mind all day, you're going to act in that very way. So our thoughts must be positive. Let's give thanks and learn to forgive, so our life will show the youths how to go, and the right road they should follow. But if your pay packet is to run racket and chase ladies off the night, and you is such a mook, you will buy school book so your children could read and write. Now they illiterate, they didn't graduate. Now the message is plain to see. That system was designed to brainwash your mind and keep us poor all the time. Sing the song now. Now is the children that we have to reach, so good lessons to them we must teach. Our nation will always be strong if moral values taught to the young. Our old saying, but it's really true. What monkey see, monkey going to do. The master once told we is the mind that holds the key. As a man thinketh, so is he. But if you want to fight everything in sight, you're going home tight every night. When your children start to follow your path, you're bawling out, oh, you blind. Now the fruit you reap, whether salt or sweet, come from those trees you grow. It will hurt us to know, but the facts there to show. Those are the seeds that we sow.